Alright, on today's video, we are back at the range, and today we are going to be doing another ammo test with the Smith Wesson M&P 2.0 22 Magnum. Alright, the ammo we're going to be testing today, this is Federal, and this is called Small Game, and these are jacketed hollow points. These are 50 grain. 45 grain is the heaviest we've tested on the channel, and we have not tested anything 50 grain yet, so this will be pretty cool. Now what I want to do is thank Bill for sending these out to the channel. He's one of my subscribers, big supporter of the channel. All the ammo he has sent me was 22 Magnum ammo that we haven't tested on the channel, so we're getting up pretty high in all the ammo we're testing with the M&P 22 Mag. Hopefully this will be a good reference for everybody that's interested in that gun, that wants to buy it. They'll be able to go back, watch these videos, see what all ammo we've had problems with and ammo we haven't had problems with. Pretty excited to test out these 50 grains. Bill, I want to thank you again, man. That is awesome that you sent this out to the channel. All right, we got 5 rounds of the Federal Small Game loaded up. Now these are 50 grainers, like I said, and these are the heaviest bullets we've shot through the M&P yet. I got a chrono out in front of me, and I got a camera set up on the target down there. I'm going to call off the speeds as we go through the chrono. Now the sun is right in my eyes right now, so I can't tell you how good this group's going to be. I'm getting a pretty good glare off my dot, but I think I can get it. Should be able to see the speeds. All right, here we go. $10.72. $10.19. Man, that sun is wreaking havoc on me right now. Oh, we got our first failure. Did not pick the round up. All right. Let's try this again. Oh. Okay. Make sure we're clear here. Glasses are fogging up. Let me see what's going on here. All right. See if I can get it to pick up. All right, I think it went that time. All right, let's get the glasses back on. $10.20. This group's probably going to be terrible. Another $10.20. And a $10.71. All right, guys, we found an ammo that the M&P didn't like very well, this Small Game. We're going to be shooting 20 rounds of it at USPSA targets, so we'll see if it can redeem itself. Wow, other than that one, that group there might have beat the TNT group from CCI. Pretty impressive. Got 3 of them almost in a same hole right here. Really, really nice group. All right, we got 20 rounds of that Federal Small Game loaded up. Now these are those 50 grainers. Got 2 USPSA targets set up in front of me. We're going to fire 2 shots into the A zone, transition back and forth. Now during the chrono test, we choked on one of these rounds, so let's see how it goes now. Impressive. Ran all 20. That ammo has, I don't really know how to explain it. It's kind of a different recoil impulse to it. I don't know if it's just because it's such a heavy bullet for 22 mag, but it's actually a real pleasure to shoot it. Probably a pretty nasty round out of a rifle for groundhogs and things like that. But yeah, let's go down and look at the group and see how they did. Target on the left, all alphas. Target on the right, all alphas. Nice cluster right here. Damn, I love the M&P. It's just such a good gun. But yeah, I was impressed that those 50 grainers ran. All right, we got 10 of those 50 grain Federal small games loaded up. Got a USPSA target set up down there at 25 yards. Let's see how well they grip and if all 10 of these will run. Nope. The M&P definitely does not like these heavier grain bullets. All right, it picked it up. Let's try this again. Nope. All right. Yeah. Well, we got 2 ammos we're going to be adding to the list that don't run good with this M&P. Well, I'll be damned. That ammo might have run like shit. I think that's the first time at 25 yards I've shot all my shots into the A zone with the 22 mag. All right, we can't leave here until we shoot a Dr. Pepper can. So I got one of those 50 grainer Federal small games loaded up. Let's see how it does. All right, my final thoughts on the Federal small game 50 grainers. This is not a good ammo for the M&P 2.0 22 Magnum. This would be good in a bolt action 22 mag. For a semi-auto pistol, no. You want to stay away from this one. But hey, it's always fun making a video, especially with the 22 mag. I really want to thank Bill for sending this out to the channel. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.